Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a trailing stop loss on Fidelity. First, understand that this order type helps protect your gains by allowing a stock's price to rise while limiting potential losses. It automatically adjusts the stop price as the market price moves favorably. We'll walk through the steps to configure this on the Fidelity platform, ensuring your investments are better protected. To begin, log into your Fidelity account and locate the Trade tab. From there, you will enter the ticker symbol for the specific stock or exchange-traded fund you want to apply the trailing stop loss to. After inputting the symbol, make sure to select Sell as the action, preparing to exit your position under specific conditions. Next, you'll need to specify the trailing amount. This can be a fixed dollar amount, like $2, or a percentage, such as 5%. Choose the option that best suits your risk tolerance and investment strategy. For the duration, select Good till canceled so your order remains active until it's executed or you manually cancel it. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the details of your trailing stop loss order. Double-check the trailing amount, whether it's a dollar value or a percentage, and confirm the good till canceled duration. Once you are confident everything is accurate, proceed to submit the order. This will activate your trailing stop loss, helping to safeguard your investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.